Okay guys, so I just overturned a log and look at that. It's a little salamander. Hi little dude. Isn't he cute? He looks like a little cloud lizard hybrid. He's so cute. I'll let you go because you look kind of cold and there's a worm, really exciting. Oh, and look, here's a woolly bear. Hi, little woolly bear. He looks sleepy. I don't know, maybe he's dead. Well, that would go in the dead category, right? All right, so there's discovery number 1. Ooh, there's a slug. He looks like the Tiger King slug. Rawr. Hi, snake. Whoops. And that is a newt. Alright guys, so this is a newt. And it is like a salamander. I think this is a spotted newt. But it's like a salamander. It's an amphibian, but it lives in the water, whereas the salamander lives on land. Oh, he's so cute. There he is. Humans have salt on their fingers, so it's not a really good idea to touch him too much, but I wanted to show you him. He's very cute. He's out there. I'm gonna let him go. Bye, Newt. Bye. Ew.
What?
Yeah.